How to check Walmart gift card balance. So if someone have gifted you the Walmart gift card balance and you have used some of the balance right here and you want to check your balance on your phone or your computer, there is a way in order to do this. Basically, all you have to do is to go ahead and open up your browser on your mobile devices or on your computer. From there, you can just go ahead and search for the Walmart gift card balance. You can just open up the website for the official Walmart page right here, which is walmart.com/account/gift card/balance. Right after that, all you have to do to check your balance is to enter the card number, enter the 4 pin right here, and you can just go ahead and click on the check balance. Now if you have an e-gift card, you can just go ahead and find the pin in the confirmation email and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.